Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a report in Jira. Let's get started. First, go to Jira and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on your preferred project. In this new tab containing your project, if the Reports tab isn't visible in your navigation menu, you can click on this plus icon at the end of your navigation menu, and this pop-up will appear where you can see your Reports tab. Click on it and click on Add to Navigation right here. Next, the Reports tab is now visible in your navigation menu. Click on it to start making a report. As you can see, some of these reports require that you have a sprint before you use them. So you can still use some of these reports down here. So click on a report that you need, and in this new tab, if you have enough data, you can now start creating your own Jira report. And that is how you can create a report in Jira. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.